In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Copilot account, sign in, and start using the app. This is a quick and simple process, and whether you want to use Copilot on your computer or on your phone, the steps are very easy to follow. By the end of this guide, you'll be signed in and ready to start using the Microsoft Copilot chat interface. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official website at copilot.microsoft.com. If you prefer using your phone, you can also download the Microsoft Copilot app from your device's App Store. Make sure you're using the official Microsoft version so you can sign in securely and access all the available features. Once the website or app opens, look for the sign in or sign up button on the welcome screen. Tap or click that option to move forward. This is where you'll either log into an existing Microsoft account or start creating a new one if you don't already have one. Next, enter the email address, phone number, or Skype name connected to your Microsoft account, then click Next. If you don't already have an account, select the option to create one. Microsoft will guide you through the setup process for free. Take your time here and make sure the information you enter is correct, since this will be tied to your account access going forward. After that, type in your password and click Sign In. If you're creating a new account instead, follow the on-screen instructions to choose a strong password and verify your email address. A strong password is important because it helps protect your account and keeps your information secure. If prompted, complete any verification steps carefully so the setup can be finished without issues. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken directly to the main chat interface. This is where you can begin using Microsoft Copilot right away. Simply type your prompts into the chat box and start exploring what the assistant can do. You can use it to ask questions, generate ideas, draft content, and much more depending on your needs, and that's it. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have access to your Microsoft Copilot account and be ready to explore its features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful tutorials.